The Nongthymmai Circle of the United Democratic Party today reiterated that the central water scheme, known as Nongrah Water Supply Scheme Phase 1, sanctioned to the tune 5 crore 92 lakh 73 rupees to supply clean drinking water to the entire area of Nongrah and Shillong, was the effort of former Meghalaya legislator and the MLA of the Nongthymmai Assembly constituency, Jemino Mawthoh. Addressing a press conference at Shillong Club, members of the Nongthymmai UDP circle strongly rejected the claim made by Nongthymmai Block Congress Committee that was the work of incumbent MLA of Nongthymmai Assembly constituency, Charles Pingrove. They termed the claim as baseless, meant to gain political mileage. Speaking on the occasion, the president of Nongthymmai UDP Youth Wing Care Kaji said that the then MLA Jemino Mawthoh, who was not even a minister then, was able to bring the water scheme for the residents of Nongrah, as the people of the area were suffering from acute water scarcity, and even now the residents are shelving out of money to purchase water to cater for their basic needs.
Along with the members and the residents from Nongrah, to clarify on this issue of the Nongrah drinking water supply scheme. In fact, in the 8th of December, last week, the president of the Nongthymmai Block Congress Committee has alleged against Dr. Jemino Mawthoh that this scheme is being brought by and introduced by Charles Pingrove, MLA of Nongthymmai. In fact, we came here to clarify that this very scheme of Nongrah drinking water supply has been brought during the time of during the tenure of Dr. Jemino Mawthoh as a MLA of the Nongthymmai constituency. So whatever they have claimed, this is I can say that these claims are baseless. So, which in fact, as per the records, everything that we are having, it was in fact Dr. Jemino Mawthoh who brought this scheme of Nongrah water supply scheme.
Kaji also said that prior to this, the then MLA Jemino Mawthoh brought a rural water supply scheme to the tune of 27 crore rupees to be implemented in Nongrah area. But the scheme could not be implemented because this area was then yet to be declared a defecation-free area.
National Rural Drinking Water Mission Scheme, which is amounting to the tune of rupees 27 crores. But due to standard criteria relating to open defecation, the scheme has to be abandoned since the criteria for ODF cannot be met. Finally, due to the persistent effort on the part of Dr. Jemino Mawthoh, finally the Nongrah water supply scheme phase 1 amounting to 5 crores 92,000 or 92 lakhs 73,000 was approved on 31st March 2017. Vide sanction number and date memo number PHE/2017/24A dated 31st March 2017. So this scheme comprises construction of raw water sump at Nongthymmai locality, a deep well and water treatment plant. It was projected that the scheme will cover a population of more than 12,000 and over 7.54 lakhs liters of clean water per day will be distributed to the different localities of Nongrah. So if the claim of the president of the Nongthymmai Block Congress Committee is true, it means that it took more than 14 years for the MLA from the year 2003 till March 2017 to bring the scheme, which is in fact is baseless. What about the interim relief for Sorghum, Mawthoh and Ompling? Since it involves heavy financial assistance, the scheme could not be taken forward. Hence, the toll claim by the president of Nongthymmai Block Congress Committee, Shri Bon claimed that the scheme has been brought by President MLA Charles Pingrove is baseless and devoid of the truth, and it's, in fact, maybe we can say it's a political stunt.